Good afternoon, teacher Vladimir Robles. I am going to talk about the integration project around the implementation of a computer vision system to detect and recognize hand gestures. My group is composed by Jorge Arevalo and my person. I am going to talk about the track declaration. First, we declare the variable of the track bars we are going to use for the HCB and JCRCB color space. Values for the track bars. Next, we create the method to use the track bars. Next, methods to print HCB and JCRCB values. The method to refresh the image is all present. There is also the method to implement the Gaussian and Canny filter. And finally, we initiate the constructor and present the moments of hue. And the next, see in the cabecera HPP. Entonces import the libraries, the class detector, variables private, values for the track bars, methods, filtro Gaussiano, border scanning, and the constructor. And the next, continue my friend Jorge.
Hello, my name is Jorge Arevalo. I am going to talk about implementation of logic. Declaration on variables to use in this list. Initialize the variables to be used in the track bar with the previously defined values for skin detection. Look, interpretation the method, the filter Gaussiano and border scanning. Then implementation of the variation method to see if the value is equal to the values that we already have saved in the files to detect the signals that we have recorded. Return result. After that, a method to calculate the distance and thus be able to see how similar two objects are. This method distance. Okay. Now video capture and processing. Discuss. Capture the video, create the window, put the trackbar in Windows to be displayed, and draw rectangle in the area to the detect edge of the hand. This called the boy detector capture. After that, implementation of the first track bar with the sal and method to print the value. First track bar, second track bar. After that, method to extract few moments. Declaration to variables. This is called detector example moment. Declaration to variables. Then these are the general moments where 7 decimal values invariant to rotate. Translation and scala are declared to be calculated. 7 values decimal. After that, color conversion. Here is convert. Here is convert to HSB and RGB color conversion the color. After that, method to draw the filter object of interest. Then equalization of the object for weather processing and Gaussian filter is also applied for smoke. Then we apply opening to eliminate the noise. Apertura, eliminate the noise. Apertura. Then note we chose the part of the rectangular draw here. After then we create the object of our area to analyze. We eliminate the noise outside my area with the opening operation and eliminate balconies with closing operation. Detection, the edge. Apply canny. We detect the edge for canny operation. After then, we draw the contour. Calculate Q moment. This code calculation moment here. A moment method to start recording, pause, detect points of interest and that characteristics and gesture. For initial play gravation rec. A method to detect gesture moment or movement that is made. The method to compare with result with the values that we have stored in text in the moment of to. Case to be used for pause and record essence. Space is used to recognize to partner and the up arrow is record the gesture. The down arrow is to pause partner record. Finally, we show the window.
And now, teacher, I'm going to talk about the results. We execute the main. We name instance about the detector, capture the video, and result. The proposed solution employs pre-processing techniques that help improve the result obtained, avoid problems with lightning. And we use the qualihistor, filter Gaussian, morphologic, and different metrics to compare if the description obtained the same to those in the database. We use the moments who techniques to improve calculate description and use the distance and vector to moment who and conversion of the colors. Very low error that in the gesture identification. The gestures have to be done in the best way seen. Sometimes it is confusing in the recognition of the gesture because the gestures are similar and the distance can be short. And result try different gestures and display what gesture identifies. Just 1, just 2, and just 3. And finally, I'm going to run the application and see the result. We build solution. And finally, local Windows debugger. Now I am going to explain the program and see the gesture. Here gesture 1, gesture 3, and gesture 3. That's all. Thank you, teacher.